Hi there. This is a short sample video that demonstrates how Liveportrait regenerates the source video's face and head movements by mirroring those of the driving video.
Where you watch videos, yes, even when you're trying to stay awake, bring your A game. When taking the video pose questions, power through them, A game in hand as you click on what is clearly the correct answer. The sample questions, no problem, perfect time to show your A game mentality. Practice makes perfections. Homework, it's not a chore, it's an A game arena. Class discussions, oh yes, here's your opportunity to show your classmates what a real A game is. And finally, the exams. The exams. Click the multiple choice questions and complete the essay questions like a champ. The cherry on the proverbial cake.